Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and the reviews of these airdrops 141 from Boat. So let me just quickly unbox it and we'll see what is hidden under the hood. So the first thing that we have is the earphones itself and lots of paperwork, and we also got the Type-C cable, but you can use any Type-C cable lying around, but this one is like kind of short, so yeah, that's about it. And now the earphones itself, they came in this case which is totally made up of plastic, and the quality of the case is like average. It's not like too much robust, but it does the job pretty well, and I don't see any problem because considering the price point of these earphones, it looks to be really good. And now these are the earphones itself, and you can just take them out, and they are actually pretty light. Like in terms of weight, it doesn't have any weight. They are feather light, so you don't have to worry about weight and stuff. Talking about the fitting and comfortability, they are actually really comfortable, and in terms of fitting as well, they actually fits pretty nice in my ears. You can just play around with earbuds, like you can use different size if it doesn't fit you right, but according to me they are actually really nice, and the weight is also very less, so they'll feel really comfortable. So in terms of that, yeah, they are actually really good. Now let's just talk about the battery life and charging time. So their battery life is around like 5 hours, but when it comes to charging time, they get charged in about 1 hour, which is pretty good. They also have tap gestures, like when you tap on the back side of the earphones, they'll pause your music, and double tap to change the music, but that doesn't work that much smoothly. You have to try multiple times in order to do that. So that's the thing that I don't like about these earphones, but that's about it. And talking about the sound quality of these earphones, the sound quality is actually really good, like way better than my expectations. Talking about the bass, they have really nice bass. It's punchy, and in terms of low end, yeah, they have a really nice low end. But when it comes to high end, high tones are actually not that great, but there's not that much special about the sound quality. They just sound like every other earphones under ₹1000, and the sound quality is actually really good. You'll enjoy the music, and yeah, that's about the sound quality.